Hello, student. Good morning. Welcome to our third section of lesson number 2 Components of Food. In our previous two sessions, we learned about carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These five are components of food. Apart from that, we learn about water, roughage, and balanced diet. Yes? Now, today we will see deficiency diseases. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. In this continuous over a long period of time, the person may suffer from deficiency. Deficiency means समझ में आ गया क्या है? कोई चीज़ की कमी. अगर कोई पर्सन इनफ फूड खाता है बट उसमें पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट नहीं है. न्यूट्रिएंट हमने बताया है कार्बोहाइड्रेट मे बी लैक ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स, फैट्स, विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स. सो अगर पर्टिकुलर न्यूट्रिएंट बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम तक उसके फूड में नहीं आ रहा है और इनटेक नहीं हो रहा है तो उसे सफ़र फ्रॉम इट्स डिफिशियंसी, उसके डिफिशियंसी का सामना करना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स उसको उसकी कमी होगी. सपोज अभी आयरन है. मोस्ट आयरन फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट आयरन? यस, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल. मे बी कोई पर्सन अगर बहुत लंबे समय तक उसके खाने में इंक्लूड नहीं करता है आयरन कंटेंट फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल, तो he may be suffer from iron deficiency. Yes, and iron deficiency cause anemia, क्योंकि आयरन हमें ब्लड फॉर्मेशन के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अंडरस्टैंड? वेरी गुड. सो deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorder in our body. Deficiency of one or more nutrient, एक या ज़्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट की कमी हमारे शरीर में कोई डिजीज़ या कोई डिसऑर्डर हमारे बॉडी में स्टार्ट हो सकता है. किसकी वजह से? डिफिशियंसी ऑफ वन और मोर न्यूट्रिएंट. इट मे बी वन न्यूट्रिएंट, लैक ऑफ वन न्यूट्रिएंट और मोर न्यूट्रिएंट्स. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. Understand? Read this carefully, both points, and understand what is deficiency diseases. I am waiting. Read it. Finish it. Everybody finish it. Read with me. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorder in our body. Everybody is saying with me, no? Second point, diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period are called deficiency diseases. I hope everybody read with me. And I hope everybody understand what is deficiency disease. If a person does not get enough protein in his or her food for a long time, he or she is likely to have stunned growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases and डायरिया. एग्जाम्पल दिया है, अगर प्रोटीन की कमी है किसी पर्सन में फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, तो उसकी ग्रोथ नहीं होगी, स्वेलिंग, फेस में स्वेलिंग होगा, देन डिसकलरेशन ऑफ हेयर्स, कलर चेंज होगा आपके हेयर्स का, स्किन का, एंड डायरिया. ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज malnutrition. Malnutrition, a large number of people in the world are suffering from malnourished. They eat less than their bodies require. Why they suffer from malnourished? Because they eat less than their body requires. जितने भी हमारे शरीर को ज़रूरत है उतना फूड हमें खाना चाहिए. अगर हम नहीं खाते हैं तो हम ये डिजीज़ से सफ़र कर सकते हैं. I already told you the requirement of nutrients or the balanced diet is depend on person's age and what work they do, right? पर्सन का एज क्या है एंड पर्सन कौन सा काम करता है, डेली एक्टिविटीज़ क्या है उसकी, उस पर डिपेंड करता है कि पर्सन का बैलेंस डाइट कैसे होगा. If this continues for long period, they may suffer from malnutrition. अगर ये बहुत कंटिन्यूस लॉन्ग पीरियड तक चलता रहा तो he will suffer from this. 1 in 10 older people are suffering from or are at risk of malnutrition. Out of 10, 1 person out of 10 person. Understand? So you need to take healthy food and the food which your body require. I will wait. You have to read it or do one thing. Start reading with me. A large number of people in the world are suffering from malnourished. They eat less than their bodies requires. Second point, yes, you have to read with me, everybody. That's why I am repeating it again, because I want everybody should read. If this continues for long period, they may suffer from malnutrition. Finish? Very good. So let's move ahead. Let's see Deficiency diseases. Deficiency diseases are diseases that are caused by lack of certain essential nutrients, especially vitamins and minerals, in one's diet over a prolonged period of time. Deficiency diseases क्या होते हैं? If any person not having or not eating vitamins and minerals content food for a long time, again I am repeating, for a long time, not for 1 day or 2 days, for long period of time, then he will suffer from deficiency diseases. Human diet is generally divided into 7 nutritional groups. They are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. Right? All these nutrients required by our body. These groups include about 50 nutritional items. They are necessary for good health and growth, in which each of these nutrients plays an essential role in the functioning of the human body. This group, which group? Protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, fiber. This group include 50 nutritional items. We already learned sources of these nutrients and types of these nutrients. They are necessary and good for health and growth. They are good for our growth, and it help us to stay healthy, in which each of these nutrient play essential role. इसमें से हर एक न्यूट्रिएंट एक इसेंशियल रोल प्ले करता है ह्यूमन बॉडी में. Understand? So each of these nutrients are essential or required for our body to stay healthy. Very good. I will wait. Everybody should read this. Otherwise, read with me. Deficiency diseases are diseases that are caused by the lack of certain essential nutrients, especially vitamins and minerals, in one's diet over a prolonged period of time. Human diet is generally divided into 7 nutritional groups. They are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. These groups include about 50 nutritional items. They are necessary for good health and growth, in which each of these nutrients plays an essential role in functioning of the human body. A number of nutrients required for good health vary from person to person. I hope everybody read with me. Understand? If you are facing any difficulty or any difficult word is there which you don't understand, so you just have to underline that word. And you can ask me later. Now see, deficiency due to carbohydrates and proteins. Deficiency due to carbohydrates and proteins. Carbohydrates are main source of energy. Right? Yes, we learned this from earlier classes also. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Deficiency of carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. What happens if you don't eat or don't intake carbohydrates and protein content food? Carbohydrates and protein content food give us energy, as well as these nutrients help us to grow. Yes, help us for growth and stay healthy. So if you don't take carbohydrates and protein content food for long time of period, again I'm repeating, it's not for 1 or 2 days, it's for long period of time, the growth may stop completely. That means your growth may stop completely. Such person becomes weak. वो person weak हो जाता है. Deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases और disorders. विटामिन्स एंड मिनरल्स की कमी से भी हमारे बॉडी में कोई डिजीजेस आ सकता है. सम ऑफ दीज आर मेंशन इन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सम ऑफ डिजीजेस ड्यू टू lack of vitamins and minerals are mentioned in next slide. Just observe this chart. Vitamins and minerals, as I explained you in earlier session, vitamin A, vitamin B1, vitamin C, vitamin D, calcium, iodine, iron. Calcium, iodine, iron are minerals, and these 4 are vitamins. Now let's see deficiency disease or disorder due to lack of presence these vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, loss of vision. Symptoms: poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, that means at night. Sometimes complete loss of vision. If there is problem in vision, or if you are facing any problem to see anything, or at night you can't see anything, these are symptoms that you need to take food content विटामिन ए. आपके शरीर में विटामिन ए की कमी है, इसके वो सिम्टम्स है. नेक्स्ट, विटामिन B1, बेरी सुना है? It's a name of disease. What are symptoms of this disease? weak muscles and very little energy to work. हमारे शरीर में एनर्जी की कमी होती है. दैट मीन्स कुछ थोड़ा वर्कआउट करने के बाद या थोड़ा काम करने के बाद हमें थकान महसूस होती है एंड वी कांट डू आवर वर्क कंटिन्यू फॉर टाइम. देन दीज आर सिम्टम्स ऑफ beriberi. That means lack of vitamin B1 in our body. Vitamin C, scurvy. Then symptoms of scurvy: bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. ब्लीडिंग गम्स होते हैं इसमें एंड वुंड्स मीन्स हमें कुछ भी लगता है या चोट लगती है एंड वो हील नहीं होती है, ठीक नहीं होती है फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम. देन these are symptoms of scurvy. Then you should include the food which are rich in vitamin C in your daily food. Then vitamin D. Rickets. Bones becomes soft and pain. हमारे बोन्स सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं. देन दीज आर सिम्टम्स ऑफ रिकेट्स. दैट इज लैक ऑफ विटामिन डी इन आवर बॉडी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम फूड, फ्रॉम वेयर वी गेट विटामिन डी? Yes, morning sunlight. Morning sunlight also gives us vitamin D. Now minerals. Calcium. Disease, bone and tooth decay. Weak bones and tooth decay. कैल्शियम की कमी से क्या होता है? बोन्स वीक हो जाते हैं एंड टूथ में डिके आ जाते हैं, टूथ डिके. देन आयोडीन. आयोडीन, goiter. What is goiter? Glands in neck appear swollen. Mental disability in children. चिल्ड्रन में मेंटल डिसेबिलिटी होती है एंड हमारे नेक पे ग्लैंड्स in the neck appear swollen. Then iron, anemia and symptoms weakness. थोड़ा काम करते ही या कुछ भी काम करते ही हमें कुछ भी काम करते हुए इमीडिएट थकान महसूस होती है. दैट मीन्स वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम एनीमिया एंड एनीमिया ड्यू टू lack of iron in our body. We require very small quantity of minerals, vitamins and minerals in our body, but still they are very important and necessary element for our body. Same with iron. If you are facing deficiency of iron in your body, then you are suffering from anemia. एनीमिया मीन्स खून की कमी. आपके शरीर में खून की कमी हो सकती है इफ देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ आयरन इन योर बॉडी. I want everybody should have a look on this table. Read it loudly. Let me zoom it. Now everybody can see now. Read it loudly. Finished? So student, let's see keywords for this lesson. First is balanced diet. What is mean by balanced diet? In simple words, everything must be consumed in balance and in proportion to what the body needs. Yes, that means every nutrient in right quantity. Beriberi. Beriberi is a disease caused by deficiency of thiamine. Thiamine means vitamin B1 that affects many systems of the body, including the muscles, heart, nervous, and digestive system. That means vitamin B1 is also very important for us. Good. Then carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is main source of energy for the body. Next, energy. Capacity of body to do work. Right, we need energy to perform our daily activity. Then, fats. Animals or plant tissue containing much greasy or oily material. Understand? Fats contain oiliness, right? Greasiness. For example, butter. Check the butter. It's greasy, no? Correct. Minerals. Elements in foods that our bodies need to develop and function normally. Then, nutrients. Any substance that plant or animals need in order to live and grow. First, read these words, then we will continue with next words. I want everybody should read it. Let me zoom it first. Now start reading. I will wait. Everybody should read it. Continue reading. Everybody finished? Very good. Let's move to our next words. Protein. This is a type of nutrients is essential. Essential means zaruri for normal cell structure and function. हमारी बॉडी ठीक से फंक्शन करे इसके लिए प्रोटीन इसेंशियल है, ज़रूरी है. Roughage. Roughage is the portion of plant foods such as whole grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, fruits, and vegetables that your body can't digest. Again, I am repeating. Whole grain, nuts, seeds, legumes, fruits, vegetables that our body cannot digest. That portion of plant foods is known as roughage. Everybody understand this? Yes. That means fruit, whole grain, nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetable जो भी हम इंटेक कर रहे हैं उसमें से जो भी पोर्शन अब हमारी बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाती है that portion of plant food is called roughage. Now scurvy. Scurvy again it's disease. Yes. Scurvy is a disease resulting from a lack of vitamin C. In previous two slides, we saw the diseases caused by deficiency of vitamins and minerals. Right? So, scurvy is a disease caused because of lack of vitamin C in our body. Yes, and all of you already learned that what are sources of vitamin C. Yes, lemon is a best and convenient source of vitamin C which we can use in our daily food. Then starch. A carbohydrate that is the chief form of stored energy in plants, especially wheat, corn, rice and potatoes. Starch. We saw taste for starch, right? Using potatoes. And in that taste, we already proved that rice and potatoes contain starch. Starch means stickiness होता है, sticky होते हैं वो जो भी food items होते हैं वो sticky होते हैं. Yes. Now everybody understands starch? Let's move to vitamins. A vitamin is a chemical compound that is needed in small amount for the human body to work correctly. I already mentioned that while we learn vitamins and minerals, I mentioned that our body required very small quantity of vitamins and minerals, but vitamins and minerals are necessary for us Because vitamins and minerals protect us from various diseases. Understand? I want everybody should read these words also. I will wait till your reading finish. But everybody should read this. Continue reading. You are not supposed to be stopped because whole words are here. Yes, I am waiting for you to finish reading. I know some of you are finished reading, but wait till everybody finish it. Everybody finish this? Very good. So, here we finish our lesson. So, after finishing lesson in this session, we had not seen any video. So, let's sing one song for this lesson, component of foods. It's very funny and you will enjoy this song. Why do we eat food?
For energy and good health, we eat food. Food has nutrients which provide energy and help us stay healthy. We eat food. Body gain energy, build up fats and carbohydrates. Body growth create giant protein minerals. हमारी बॉडी के रक्षक, हमारी बॉडी के सोचक, ये बीमारी से लड़ते हैं इट्स विटामिन्स. Why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? For energy and good health, we eat food. For energy and good health, we eat food. For energy and good health, we eat food.
You enjoy this song, na? So, let's sing together. Ready? Steady? Start.
Why
Do we eat food? Why do we eat food? Everybody should sing.
for
Energy and good health, we eat food. Food has nutrients which provide energy and help us stay healthy. We eat food. Body gain energy energy, bring down fats and carbohydrates. बॉडी ग्रोथ के लिए चाहिए प्रोटीन्स मिनरल्स. हमारी बॉडी के रक्षक, हमारे बॉडी के सोल्जर, ये बीमारी से लड़ते हैं. इट्स विटामिन्स. Why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? For energy and good health, we eat food. For energy and good health, we eat food. For energy and good health, we eat food. Now I think you better understand this lesson, right? So we need vitamins and minerals as they fight against diseases. And nowadays we are fighting against corona disease. So it's necessary for us to eat food contained or rich in vitamins and minerals. Which food contains vitamins and minerals? Fruits and vegetables. Understand? Okay, very good. In our next session, we will see the revision of lesson number 2. So, stay home, stay safe, don't go outside without any emergency, and if you go outside, follow the all instructions given by government for your security. Thank you.